How to add voiceovers to Sora AI videos. So hello guys, if you want to add voiceover to Sora AI videos, like if you want to generate video where the character talks and they talk the words that you mentioned. So how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that, whenever you want to create a videos, you need to write a prompt in that way. For example, let me show you. For example, my prompt is a monkey walking on road. So how I can make it talk, or how like it can voice over? So for that I will simply write monkey walking on road saying, then I saying, after that I will simply add that two commas. Now I will simply write whatever I want to add as a voiceover. So for example, saying hello buddy. After that I will add that comma again. So once I add that comma again, and after that you will another write another thing like another scene etc. And once you done with that, copy that whole prompt and paste it in Sora AI and generate videos. So in video, whatever you write in that two commas, it will be used as a voiceover. Thanks for watching.